unlock our emotions, let go of any tension. This will be a 5 days breathing challenge. Today is day 1. Please let me know in the comments below, how do you feel after each day? Do it for me, do it for yourself, to track your progress. This is called simple pose, which is not that simple. If it's hard for you, you can always sit on top of books to elevate yourself, or extend legs in front of you, or even sit on your chair. It doesn't matter, as long as you're comfortable and you can lift your spine up and sit in a straightened position. I'm going to start with simple Ujjayi breath, concentrating on expanding our rib cage. With next inhale, pull your shoulders down and expand your rib cage, thinking about this as if it's an umbrella. Inhale, open your umbrella. Exhale, draw the ribs towards each other. And lift the navel up as you exhale everything you have there. So inhale everything you can. And exhale through the mouth. Now inhale, expand your rib cage. Exhale as if you want to warm your hands. Your breath is touching the back of your throat. Inhale. Exhale. Ujjayi breath. Now we will do 5 Ujjayi breaths. Each time you inhale, you're drawing statically your shoulders down. Inhale. Two more. One more. Now with next inhale, lift your arms up. And with exhale, twist, looking behind you. Inhale up. Exhale. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale. And inhale up. And exhale. Now inhale, raise your arms up. Open them wide. Give me 1 Ujjayi. Inhale. Exhale, draw those ribs towards each other. And send your arms behind you. Shoulders down, chest up and forward. See if you can touch your elbows with your fingers. If not, lean towards it, right? You can always hug your hands halfway through, right? Now let's stay here. Settle in, chest up and forward, and slowly move your body forward just a little bit to feel that pulling motion in your shoulders. And once again, 3 Ujjayi. Inhale. Inhale, expand that rib cage. Mindful breathing. Inhale. And exhale, draw the ribs together. Straighten your spine. And now extend only your right hand. Lift it up. Inhale. And with exhale, drop it on your left ear. And move your right ear above your right shoulder. Stay here for 3 Ujjayi breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more inhale and exhale. Inhale, straighten your neck, lift your right arm open and send it back behind you. Find a comfortable spot first, draw the shoulders down. Inhale and exhale, extend your left arm. Inhale, raise it up. Exhale, land your left fingers on top of your right ear and push. Left ear above your left shoulder. Find a comfortable spot for your neck. Prepare for 3 Ujjayi breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more inhale and exhale. Inhale, straighten your neck. Lift your left arm open. Don't rush. Bring it behind you. Hold it. Inhale. And with exhale, prepare to extend both arms. Inhale, raise your arms up. And with exhale, bring it in front of you. And drop them. Roll your shoulders for 3, 2, 1 more time. And we are done for today. Have a moment to notice how you feel now, how it felt before. And I will see you tomorrow for some more calming and restorative breath.